Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kamoni because that's the name of my clothing line. So, as you already know, I'm making and designing a gown inspired by Beauty and the Beast. I was more so inspired by her whenever she played Belle at Beauty and the Beast. That dress was everything. So I wanted to make my own little version of Beauty and the Beast dress. As you see, it is a little bit of a twist with Beauty and the Beast. Instead of it being a typical ballroom gown, I wanted it to be a really sexy fitting dress with a big attachable train in the back. Don't be mad at me, but when I did the math on doing this detachable train on this dress, it was gonna be like $500 to make. So yeah, I had to cut that out. I can't, making the dress by itself was already a lot. So please bear with me. I didn't do the train, but the dress still slays. The dress still slays. So the gown is going to be made of this beautiful beaded yellow lace, and it has like pearl detail in it, also along with some yellow crystals that was also hand sewn onto the lace and border detail into it. Now originally I was going to make this gown over the shoulder like her dress, but I thought it would be a lot cuter to add some like lace detailing on the end of the glove, so it gives that illusion of off the shoulder. And the slit comes all the way up to the hip, honey. Ooh! And then also across from it, you're gonna see some like pleated draping detail. So it's gonna kind of look like the fabric is falling off of her. Kind of like that draping detail that's on Belle's dress. But instead of it being all over the dress, it's just on that one side of this dress. When I tell you the detailing on this gown, it's delicious. But okay, let's go ahead and get right to it. I just finished making TikToks, so excuse me. You know what? It has been God knows how long. I think it's been like, oh my God. I haven't done a full beat face since June of 2022. It's January 2023. Remind me to not buy lashes for the next like 5 years. Like, what's happening?
Damn. Damn. Wait, stop.
You know what? We're not focused on that right now. We're gonna focus on beating our face. Okay, now that I have my primer and concealer on, I remember I had this brown wig, so let me see if I can make something work with that.
He needs some milk.
Hold on. The wig is a hot mess, but it's not about the wig, it's about the dress. Girl, honey. I look like a whole meal. I look like a bowl of macaroni. Oh my gosh, this turned out even better than I thought it would. Even though the dress is see-through. You can't even tell I got a corset on. Hey! And then there's bra padding. This is literally all the dress. There's no undergarments, no Spanx, just the dress. It's sucking me in. It's doing what it needs to do. Even look at the glove detailing. Like, it has like a little sparkle, a little glitter, and a slit. There's no kind of knitting. This is all leg. You see those little cute yellow pearls? That was sewn on by hand. Look how beautiful. And then you'll even see like some yellow crystals. Oh, it definitely gives me Beauty and the Beast castle realness. It definitely does give that. There's like a little drape detail, so it's like a very low, sexy back. It's giving the Beast's ex-girlfriend, so he had to settle with Belle. I freaking love how this gown turned out. This gown will be on my website. I will be selling this as a sample and also having the option of getting this in your size too. Ooh. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. This was actually really fun. This is so fun. I can't believe, well, I can't believe it because I mean, like, I know what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can vote on my next design. If you would like to have any custom pieces designed by me or purchase any of my original designs, feel free to check me out at kamonicollection.com. And also make sure you follow me on all of my socials at Kamoni Collection and just_Kamoni. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can vote on my next design. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ooh, look at that brain. Look at that brain. Is it twerkable? So it's twerkable.
Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My the savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My is bad and bougie. Cooking up dope with a Uzi.